horses on New Year's Eve, walking down my Brooklyn street. And I saw fireworks in your eyes. I was falling, falling, falling 1 year ago at this time. Now I'm trying, trying, trying to get back my mind. I'll take my photographs, wrap them in bubble wrap. I'm leaving for the weekend, or maybe for the year. I'll secure all my edges, all the fragile remarks that were taken the wrong way before I go leaving for the year. Taken the wrong way.
So hey, I've got this, this is a black water tank that I got. I bought a gray water tank used from this guy, and this was sitting there. And as you can see, it's broken. He threw this in for free because he said there's no way to fix it. I don't know if he knows. I certainly don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if he knew what he was doing, but I'm going to try and fix it. You can see I've been experimenting a little bit with plastic welding. I'm going to try and plastic weld this and fix it. Here's a hole that was just it was a slice that I just filled in. And here's a piece of drain pipe that I stuck on another small little hole here. You can see my welds are not very good. This is the first time I've ever tried plastic welding, and I really don't know very good at welding in general. Anyway, the thing I'm going to now try to do is patch this hole here. Okay, so I've cut a piece of, this is actually 3-inch. I think 2-inch might have been big enough, but this is what I have. About as long as the hole is, a little bit longer. Okay, now here's a little trick I saw on YouTube. Whether this is crazy to do or not, I have no idea. But I'm going to put the ABS pipe, this is ABS drain pipe, I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to set the temperature for 250 degrees. And the video I saw said do not go above 250 degrees, so I'm not going to. And I'm going to set my timer, since the oven is not preheated. I'm going to set it for about 8 minutes. I think 5 is probably good enough if the oven's heated up, but it's not. So, and now I'll pop the drain pipe in the oven. The heat makes it quite soft, and I'm going to just cut it down, slit it down the middle here. Okay. And by the way, I should mention this area is very well ventilated, just in case. Okay, so back in the oven for another 5 minutes. So now it has a consistency almost like cookie dough. And I'm just going to set it down. I've got some flat boards I'm going to put on it. Press it down. About 30 seconds. And there you go. Got a nice flat piece of ABS. One thing I wanted to mention, when you're doing plastic welding, you have to make sure to use the same kind of plastic as what you're fixing. I wasn't sure. I thought this was probably ABS, but I wasn't really sure. So I took a piece of ABS pipe that I knew was ABS and started welding, and I compared what happened when I used PVC and poly weld sticks, and they just didn't stick at all. And so the fact that this, I'm pretty sure it's ABS, it looks like ABS, and ABS plastic weld sticks to it, so I believe it is. Okay, now here's the deal here. And you can see that this piece is kind of concave here, and this piece is nice and flat. So I'm going to stick it back in the oven and see if I can push it down so it fits a little better on there. Okay, so it's going back in the oven for another 5. Here's what I'm going to do for the vent. I cut this hole with my hole saw, and then I cut a hole inside the hole with my other hole saw, and it'll just fit this fitting here. It's got threads on it. It's going to go there.
Best be breaking down these walls, boy. I am no good at giving in. No, 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 no. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, and there it is, the finished product. What I did was I took ABS cement, the black stuff, and I painted it liberally all over to seal up any small leaks. I stuck a flashlight in there actually, and there was a couple of pinhole leaks along here, and so I figured I'd give this a try. And this dries. It's wet at the moment, but it dries basically like thin ABS. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I'm going to see if it leaks or not. I plugged this up here, and I'm going to pour water in the top, and we'll see if it works. All right. I saw water coming down the side. I thought I'd split a leak for a second, but it's just the water running out the top.